Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to hard reset this device by using the phone app. First we need to open the Galaxy wearable app on our phone. This. In the app we need to scroll down, tap on the watch settings. Here select the general option, then scroll down and right here at the bottom we have the reset option. Tap on it. Right here you can tap on reset button to continue, but before you do that, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 50%. To do it, wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the upper button, and then you can swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and right here you have the battery level. As you can see, mine is above the 50%. If yours is not, I recommend to charge your watch before you do you attempt the reset, because if the battery dies during the reset, it might damage your watch. So I just recommend to charge your battery before you do anything. After you charge the battery, you can continue by tapping on reset button right here, and the watch will start resetting itself. And once you see the list of languages on your watch, right here this screen, that means that the hard reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.